One of the issues motorcyclists face is drivers of the other vehicles not being aware. When you're stopped at an intersection, failure to yield the right of way is probably one of the most common causes of an accident. And part of that is your mind is used to looking for other vehicles. Humans have a certain amount of built-in memory in their brain that they do things without even thinking. So if you're stopped at an intersection and you check left, and then you check right, and you don't see a vehicle, your brain hasn't processed that there's a motorcycle because it doesn't look like a car. So you assume there's no car coming and you go ahead and proceed through that intersection, even though the motorcyclist may have the right of way. Failure to yield is probably the most common cause. One of the other causes would be unsafe lane changes. Again, you're driving down the highway, you look in your rearview mirror, you don't see a vehicle to your left or to your right, and you begin to move, and that motorcycle has come into your blind spot, or you just didn't process it that there was a motorcyclist there, and you end up hitting them.